everybody, it's Dave. It's the big day. We got the pump truck in place. We're got quite a tall one. We got to go over the house to the backyard, so got that set up. We're waiting on the the concrete truck. It'll be here any time, and I'm going to be pretty busy as everything starts happening, so I probably won't get a chance to pump. So I just wanted to give everybody a look before that happens. Got all the form boards up, looking good. Steve's checking it out. And tomorrow we will have a concrete wall here, concrete footings. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Stay flat.